Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Your question is, for the matrix A, you are given a 3 cross 3 matrix A, show that A square minus 5A plus 4I is equals to a 0 matrix. First of all, you have to verify this equation and hence find A inverse. So, we have to first verify this equation, and in this equation we have to put A square. So, let us try to find out A square first. What is A square? A square can be written as A into A. So, A multiplied by A. A is your this matrix, and write it again, A multiplied with A. और जब आप दो मेट्रिसेस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, दिस वन इज अ 3 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स, दिस वन इज अगेन अ 3 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स, और द रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स विल बी अ 3 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स. लेट दिस मैट्रिक्स बी A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So, this matrix will be equals to A11. First row and first column को जब आप multiply करेंगे, then you will get 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1, then 1 into 1, then 1 2, A12. First row and second column are going to be multiplied. So, 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into 2, 1 into minus 1. Now, A13's first row is going to be multiplied with third column. So, 2 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2. Then A21 is second row is going to be multiplied by first column. So, minus 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1. A22 is second row is going to be multiplied with second column. So, minus 1 into minus 1 will give you 1, 2 into 2 is 4, and minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Now, A23 is second column, second row is going to be multiplied with third column. So, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now, A31 is third row is going to be multiplied with first column. So, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Then A32 is third row and second column are going to be multiplied. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1. Then third row, third column are going to be multiplied. 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 2 into 2. So, your A square matrix will be equals to 6 minus 5, 5, then minus 5, 6 and minus 5, then 5, minus 5 and 6. This is your A square matrix. Now, consider the left hand side of your equation. So, consider left hand side, that is A square minus 5A plus 4I, and that is equals to A square matrix is 6 minus 5 5, minus 5 6, minus 5 5, minus 5 6, minus 5 times your A matrix will be 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 2, minus 1 1, minus 1 and 2, plus 4 times your identity matrix will also be a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, this is your left hand side, and this is equivalent to 6 minus 5, 5. First of all, we are going to multiply a scalar with this matrix, a scalar with this matrix. Minus 5, 6, minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6, minus, जब 5 को आप इसके अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल गिव यू 10 माइनस 5, 5, minus 5, 10, minus 5, 5 minus 5, 10. And when 4 is going to be multiplied with identity matrix, it will be equals to this matrix. Now this will give you, your left hand side will be equals to 6 minus 10 plus 4. 6 minus 10 plus 4. Minus 5 plus minus minus plus. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Then 5 minus 5 plus 0. 5 minus 5 plus 0. Then minus 5 minus minus plus. Plus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Then 6 minus 10 plus 4. 6 minus 10 plus 4. Then minus 5 minus minus plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Then plus 0. When you are going to add or subtract matrices, then the corresponding elements are going to be added and subtracted. So this 5 minus 5 plus 0. 5 minus 5 plus 0. Then minus 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. And this is 6 minus 10 plus 4. 6 minus 10 plus 4. And you can realize that it is coming a 0 matrix. So you have proved that a square minus 5a plus 4i is giving a 0 matrix. Hence proved. Now you have to find A inverse using this equation. To find A inverse using this equation, we are going to shift these two elements there. So 4i will be equals to 5a minus a square. अब आपको क्या करना है, A इनवर्स की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो आप आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स पूरी इक्वेशन को इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई विद A इनवर्स, then it will come this A square can be written as A into A inverse, and this will be equals to 4 times A inverse is equals to 5 times identity minus A into ये identity matrix बन जाएगा, and A into identity, any matrix multiplied by the identity matrix will give you the same matrix. So 4A inverse will come, identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus A matrix is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1, and this is 1 minus 1 2. So this will come out 5 minus 2, that is 3, then 0 minus minus plus 1, then 0 minus 1, then 0 plus 1, then 5 minus 2, then 0 minus minus 1, then 0 minus 1, then 0 minus minus plus 1, then 5 minus 2. So this is 4 times A inverse. So A inverse will come, 4 से आप वहाँ पर divide कर देंगे. So this is your A inverse.